What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Mustang, and today we got a new product in the house and introducing here the OnePlus Nord Buds 2. So in today's video, I'm going to show you everything you guys need to know before you make your purchase decision. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a quick unboxing over here, and I do like the packaging here. Very nice and simple. You have all your product details on the back, and let's just take this off. All right. Let's see what we have inside. Straight away into the buds. And we'll check out the bottom here. So we do have the manual books and stuff, some stickers, and also we have the USB-C for your charger cable. We have some of the extra earphone tips as well. So we have 2 pairs here, and we also have another pair inside here. So altogether 3 pairs. Let's take this off. And here we have it, the OnePlus Nord Buds 2. And I gotta say, it looks really nice. Nice weight to it as well. Very small and very compact. So very nice to keep. Nice matte finish to it as well. And slick design. And let's just unbox and open up these bad boys. Very lightweight, as we can see here. So taking both of them 2 out. Very nice and small. And again, very compact, just like the case. And you have your touch pads here as well. And nice plastic finish, glossy finish to it too. And on the stems, it is matte finish. So looking really nice. And also you have your rubber tips. So all in all, really good. And also you have your USB-C on the bottom here for charging, and also your pairing button. And now let's move on to the next segment. Alright, so in terms of the spec wise on this, just to let you guys know, in terms of the battery life, this is of course very important. So you can get about to 36 hours of battery life with this, with the case and also with the earbuds. Each of the earbuds would give you about 7 hours of playback, so it's very long. And they do have the super fast charger as well, the feature. So it's able to charge up for 10 minutes, and it does give you 5 hours of music playback. Okay, so I'm going to pair this out with my phone, and here I'm using the OnePlus 11. So what you can do is just put the case open, go to your Bluetooth, and it's able to detect it over here. And once you get it paired up, it's going to be really fast. And you're good to go. And of course, one thing to note is that this earbuds here does give you ANC controls, and it does have a dual mic system. So on the top here, you do have your noise cancelling mic, and also you have the clarity mic on the bottom here to give you that extra crispiness when it comes to the speakers on this, the mics on this earbuds. Okay, and also a quick app tutorial guide here. So you can use the HeyMelody app to get more features with these earbuds. So Tomo, if you go for the single tap, it's able to play and pause your music. Double tap to skip to the next track, and also tap and hold to go into your different transparency mode or ANC. So as we can see here, we have all the battery indicators on this, which of course is really helpful. You have your nice constellation, off and transparency mode like I mentioned, and also you can adjust your EQ settings here as well. And it does have your BaseWave feature, which is over here with the Nord Buds 2. And also you can go for the camera settings, find your earbuds, and go to your updates, and it does have your Dolby ATMOS features. So yes, this is the app that comes with this Buds 2. Alright, so now we're going to do a connection test with this Buds 2. So what we're going to do is just play some content on my phone, and we'll see how fast it connects. 1, 2, 3, and we are done right into it. And go on to the left side, tune to about 2 seconds. You get us connect. So we're going to test out the test pad controls. So a single tap. Okay, and if I tap again, it goes and play back, go to the next track. So, alright, so as you can see there, works really well. And of course, if you want to tap and hold, like I mentioned, it goes to your ANC control panel. So very effective and also very, very efficient when it comes to the buttons, and also very responsive. So that's a really good thing. And now let's go on to the next segment. And of course, now just talking about the latency on this. Yes, of course, the latency on this is really, really very minimal. Very good. So whatever you're watching on your phone here and whatever you're listening, it's almost there. I mean, like, you can't really tell the difference at all. And I can recommend this for, in terms if you're going to use it for your movie date night or whatever. The latency on this is really, really good. Alright, so now I'm going to do a ANC test on this. So I'm going to play some music on my earbuds. And I'm going to play some content over here. What is up, guys? Welcome back. So now I'm assuming is we got a new phone in the house, and okay. Here, the Oppo Reno 5G. So this is the nice constellation on. So I can't really hear too much on it. I still do hear some voice. So if I go to off, let's just go right into it. Definitely I hear a little bit more of the outside sound. Okay, transparency. And if I switch it on, okay. So at about this volume, I hear something. And if I go to off, transparency, sorry. About this volume. So the ANC in this is really good. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it still gets the job done. And thumbs up for that. Okay, and of course we'll do some music tests here. So I'm just gonna play some content. And of course I'll just let you guys know how it sounds. Alright, very clear in terms of vocals. Okay, it's gonna hit the chorus soon. So far sounding really nice. Alright, bass as well is really good. Let's go to the settings here. Sound master, if we go to bass. This is really nice. Not too bad. Let's go to this. Yeah, you definitely feel a little bit more bass when it comes to this. So definitely when it comes to music with the Buds 2, I gotta say, it's really good. Alright guys, so here is the mic and ear fit test with the Nord Buds 2. You can see how it fits into my ear. Quite comfortable, I would say. Very lightweight, so don't have to worry about it being too getting some ear fatigue, that sense. And basically what you're hearing right now exactly is the mic quality of the Nods 2. So you can see, and of course, let me know in the comments down below, how's the mic quality for your calls or for your videos or whatever you want to do with it. And yeah, let me know. It looks really good, very small, very subtle. And overall, I'm really liking this design. Alright, so there we have it with the OnePlus Nord Buds 2, and here in Malaysia it does sell for about 497 ringgit, so it's about the $500 mark. 500 ringgit mark, so it's about the 125 US dollar mark. And for the price point, I think it's a really good pair of earbuds. You get a lot of features here. Battery is amazing because they do give you about 36 hours, and you do have your ANC as well. You have the bass feature as well, so I think it's a really good deal. And in case if you guys want to know a little bit more, do let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions. And I would say this one is again highly recommended for the OnePlus Nord Buds 2. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do click the like and smash that subscribe button down below for more videos like this in the future. And also do follow me on my socials as well on Instagram and Facebook here, and also here on YouTube at Dr. Hamstek. So that is it. This is Dr. Hamstek. Stay safe, take care, and wash those hands.